way. But I kept that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all. Yeah.
Hey, what's good? What's your poppin' with you? You already know by the title what we doing today. And today, this will be a breast cancer awareness video because I am going to be doing the symbol of cancer, and that is going to be right here. So you guys should just stay tuned, watch how this go, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And turn on the notification button because I will be posting almost every week. And that's just on period. In the description down below is all the videos I've posted already and also my social media, so go check that out as well. And that's just on period. So we just gonna get right into this video and we ain't gonna play with it. Let's just get right into it, period. So we had a change from the yellow to pink, of course, because yellow is not the breast cancer color, so that's what I did. So we just gonna get right into this video though, and that's just on period. Okay, you guys, the first thing I'm doing is actually section off the whole head and come back and show you guys how I do the cancel symbol. Of course, I'm not going to leave you guys hanging, of course. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to speed the sectioning off part up. And I'm just doing sections around the head. Depends on where I want to pick the symbols at. So that's what I'm doing. So just stay tuned. Keep watching. And leave a comment down below, 1 through 10, on how you think I'm doing this hairstyle at the end of this video. And that's just on period. Now let's get into it. Okay, you guys, I actually sectioned off in 4s. I'm going to do the symbol all through the head. I'm going to do 1 in the middle and 1 on the sides and actually 1 in the back. So yeah, just stay tuned. Okay, first I'm actually sectioning off like a square out of each section so I could be able to do 1 in the middle. So just stay tuned, keep watching, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to speed this up and come back if I do another step. Okay, this is the first section in the middle that I'm going to put the symbol at. I wanted to give you guys a close-up. Okay, you guys, so the first step is make sure you got your sections right. You're doing like a crossover, so it's going to be a braid going up, then around. So you would want to section your thing off like that. So what I'm doing is doing like a section going straight, but it's not really going to be straight because I'm going to curve it. So that's what I'm doing now. So just stay tuned. I'm going to speed this up and then come back when I do the curve part. So look, I'm doing a section going across like that. Then I'm going to come around like that. I'm going to have braids going like this, and then I'm going to cross it over. So I'm going to end up taking out the top part and then going over it and braiding it like a curve. So it's going to be like the same thing I did here, but with the braid going across it. Come back when I do the top part of the curve. So just stay tuned, and that's just on period. So now I section it off again on the top as a curve, and I actually braided this, and I'm gonna braid the axis into the curve, and you guys gonna see what I'm talking about, but just stay tuned, keep watching. And that's just that. Like I said, I'm just gonna braid the X's in like around like a U.
You do
A half a circle, and that's just what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys. So just stay tuned. Actually finished the middle. I'll put a bantu knots here so you guys can see, and then I came in with a cross with the braids from the front. As you can see, it's like two of them upside down together. This is one, this is two. And now I'm going to start on the other sides, of course. So just stay tuned and continue watching. Okay, you guys. So in the front here, I'm going to put a bantu knot so it can blend in with the middle. But I'm also going to start on the sections as well, putting the symbols. So just stay tuned. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button, and check out the description button to see all the videos I posted. And my social medias is down there as well. Okay, you guys, I'm actually taking these out and parting it down as a braid going down for each one. Not sure if you can see. So these I'm taking out, I'm going to braid them down and then do the designs in each section. I part it out, as you can see. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, but just stay tuned and keep watching. And so I take out the bantu knot and I just start braiding it down. As you can see, I did this one already, so it looks like this. Then and I'm actually doing that to the rest of them. So yeah, just stay tuned. So as you can see, this is what I'm doing, and I'm just going to finish the rest and then come back. So just stay tuned. I'm starting on the section. I'm basically doing like the symbol in the middle and then braiding them down. So just stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. So it's the same thing I did in the beginning. I'm parting a section in the middle of this hair. So I'm going to do this section here. So I'm going to do this section here with the symbol, come back and show you guys what I'm going to do around it, and that's just that. So I'm basically just like, I got a square, I'm parting it going across the square, making a triangle, braiding it up, then curving it with a braid. Comment down below if y'all want a detailed video on how I did it. And that's just that. So let's just speed this up and finish this video. I'm going to do the symbol in the middle and then do like a braided design around it. So just stay tuned. And that's just on period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And go ahead and check out that description button down below. Because guess what? My social medias is there and all the videos that I posted. So just stay tuned. And when you're done, you can go ahead and comment down below 1 through 10 on this hairstyle, and also go check out my other videos in the description, or you can just go ahead on my channel. And that's just that. Okay, you guys, I have one section left, and just hope you guys enjoying this video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification button because I will be posting almost every week, and that's just on period. And go ahead and check out the description button because I do have videos in the description. If you want to check out my old videos that I posted, you can, and my social medias is down there as well. We just go ahead and get right into it. So, and don't forget to rate this hairstyle 1 through 10 in the comments as well. This is one of the ways I did it in this video. Since I didn't explain it to you guys, I make a circle in the middle of the hair. I actually braid that circle, so, and after that I just wrap it around like a little knot. And after I do the little knot, I actually braid around it like a curve around. Can you guys see? Like around. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. And once I get that section, I'm actually gonna come down and go straight down, following that curve. Then section it, and actually just follow this line here, and then braid like that. So it's not really hard, just gotta make your section right. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I just cross it over for the other side. I add the rubber band, and then boom. And then this section here is actually going to go straight down as well. And just cross over. And that's just about it. And then the leftover hair, I just separate it. And then bring it into the, separate it and bring it into the other two braids. And then I do the same thing on the opposite side. Here, this is one of them. If you can see the cross on the bottom, but this is one, this is two, this is three, this is four, and then I have two, one in the middle, and then when you turn it, it's going to be one in the front. Then I have the bottom two knots, which is I'm going to go over them again. And then I'm going to show you guys a close-up of everything. And I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Turn on that notification button because I will be posting, and that's just on period. And I hope you guys rate the hairstyle 1 through 10 as well, like I said in the beginning. But yeah, so old videos I post, it is in the description, so go ahead and check that out. And also my social medias is down there as well. And that's just on period. I hope you guys liked it. So bye.